Hello, I'm Clover the Lucky, and this is my Japan haul part 2. I have tons of stuff on my floor. The next bag I'm going to be opening is my bag of makeup. My windows are open. I got this egg cushion in hopefully a shade that works for me. I got it in 1.5 peach. I got this makeup brush. It's an angle and an angle. I got eyeshadow palette. I got some mascara and lip and cheek mud. Shh, it's okay, Lily. I got another mascara. This one had a little beeper attached to it, and I walked near a door because I was gonna go to a different spot of the top floor that the makeup was on, and the beeper went off, so that the employee had to take it back to the register, make the beeper stop beeping, and then give it back to me before I checked out. And then I got eyeliner. Should I do makeup? I just took a shower and I don't feel like it, but I'll use these makeup products in a different video. And this stuff I got from Don Quixote. Like the suitcase. This is what I've really been wanting. All the food items. I got matcha Kit Kats. This stuff, even though I brushed my teeth and I'm ready for bed at 5 in the morning, I will be eating some of it. Because snacks. Just brush my teeth again or something. It's a little bit melted, but I did pack it in my suitcase. Tastes like matcha and chocolate and wafer. I also got whatever these are. Oh wait. Matcha tiramisu chocolate. Ooh. It's covered in like powdered matcha. It's got almonds inside. Not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. Like, it's good, but it kind of just tastes like dough. Meh, I'll still eat the whole bag. I'm not picky. I got subtle and unsweetened matcha powder. I got matcha milk, double rich taste, matcha powder. I got matcha Pocky. I already bought some of this when I was in Japan and ate like a whole pack of it. It's delicious. It's not going to stop me from eating a whole nother pack of it. Would you rather play the Pocky game where someone and someone go till you kiss each other? I did that in high school. Just like matcha and Pocky breadstick. There's 2 boxes of them. I forgot. Strawberry matcha. Somethings. Here's my pile of trash. Okay. Strawberry jewelry. Looks like a little mochi ball. But it's in the shape of a strawberry and it's matcha flavored. It's like a freeze-dried strawberry covered in matcha chocolate. I like it. I'm getting chocolate from some of my souvenirs. Pretty sure this is matcha powder. Four spoons, hot water, only 95 degrees Celsius. You don't want your matcha to be bitter. 20 to 30 minutes or something. Japanese green tea. Matcha, green tea, slightly different. Then I also got 3 packs. No. 2 packs of matcha cigarettes and then 1 pack of matcha somethings. You can see Lily. Okay. Matcha cigarettes first. There's just a whole aisle of matcha and I was like, I want that, and I want that, and I want that. And then I didn't realize that if you bought it tax-free, you had to wait until you were in America to eat it. Orion's. That hurt. Tastes like matcha, but painful. Got one more to try before I run out of time. This one is in a little cube. Personal first impression is it tastes like a Tootsie Roll. It's good. Tastes sweet. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to eat more sweets and then go to bed and maybe clean up this mess on my floor. Love you, bye.